Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best survival first aid kits on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Survival First Aid Kit Adpir. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Adpir Survival First Aid Kit is a versatile, 170-piece emergency pack designed for outdoor enthusiasts. It includes 120 essential medical supplies like bandages, tourniquets, and scissors to treat common injuries. Additionally, it offers 21 tactical tools and 8 fishing accessories, such as a survival bracelet, folding shovel, and emergency blanket. All items are organized in a durable, waterproof 1000D nylon mall pouch, which can be easily attached to backpacks or belts. Ideal for camping, hiking, hunting, or road trips, this kit provides peace of mind for outdoor adventures. Number 2 is the Everlit 250 Pieces Survival First Aid Kit. The Everlit 250 Pieces Survival First Aid Kit is a comprehensive emergency kit designed by U.S. military veterans. It offers over 250 items, including bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, a CPR mask, and a first aid manual to handle various medical situations. Beyond first aid, it includes survival tools like a tactical flashlight, multifunction paracord bracelet with compass and whistle, fire starter, knife, and glow sticks. All items are packed in a durable, water-resistant 1000D nylon mall pouch, making it easy to attach to backpacks or belts. Ideal for camping, hiking, and home emergencies. And the first position goes to the 250 PCS Survival Gear First Aid Kit with Mall System Compatible Bag and Emergency Tent. The 250-piece Survival Gear First Aid Kit is a complete emergency solution for outdoor enthusiasts. It includes essential medical supplies like bandages, gauze pads, scissors, and a tourniquet, plus survival tools such as a multifunctional axe, folding shovel, knife, fire starter, compass, whistle, lantern, emergency tent, and blanket. All items are packed in a durable, water-resistant 1000D nylon mall-compatible bag, making it easy to attach to backpacks or belts. Perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, and disaster preparedness. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 survival first aid kits that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.